with Doc Martin, tonight on 7-2.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. February set to kick off with some pretty intense humidity as tropical air quickly spreads across the state. Storms will start mostly in the north at first, but by the end of this week, everybody gets wet. The perception of heat is well supported in today's numbers across the Wide Bay Burnett, with all stations reporting above average temperatures, low 20s at night and low 30s by day, slightly hotter inland. Let's start with the satellite loop now. Firstly, you can see a big swirl of cloud across northwest Australia. It's a very active monsoon at the moment. It's connected to a couple of other monsoon vortices, one in the Gulf there, one off the North Tropical Coast, which we're watching, and even a big swirl there in the Tasman Sea. There's a potential for some of these to develop into cyclones over coming days, but it's no cause for concern because they'll all move away even if they do. Let's look at today's chart now. Firstly, in the tropics, we have that very strong monsoon trough crossing the coast somewhere near Cooktown. Today, most of the showers and storms have been isolated. In the southeast, we're losing our ridge, so it's starting to get warmer. And on tomorrow's chart, we start to get this inland trough directing those tropical northwest winds into the state, making things really hot and increasing rainfall in the far north. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters, north to northwest winds reaching 20 knots at times tomorrow. Much the same again on Wednesday, and then on Thursday just a straight northerly, only 10 to 15. Gowrie offshore waters, a 15 to 20 knot northerly to start with a 2 metre southeast swell. Wednesday's winds north to northwest, 15 to 20 knots. Thursday, straight northerly, easing to 10 to 15. Another new moon king tide tomorrow morning. It's an especially big one, so there won't be much beach. Also beware of the strong run out to the afternoon low tide. The Wide Bay Burnett, we've got a hot and humid day coming up with a chance of a shower or storm. Bundaberg 23 to 33 degrees, going to 38. Hervey Bay 32, Maryborough 35. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, oppressively humid at first and especially warm at night, but a cool stormy change on Thursday, Friday. We'll see winds increase and temperatures tumble. This week's question from Kevin Carney: why are tides so much bigger in northwest Australia or the Whitsunday coast? As a young kid, you might have noticed if you swish bath water back and forth at just the right speed, the whole tub starts to rock frantically. A similar effect is often seen in closed bays, which can produce unusually large tidal movements if they resonate with the rise and fall of the ocean tide. In Mackay Harbour, for example, this effect is exaggerated by shallow water, and tides in general are always bigger in the tropics where the sun and moon rise higher into the sky. And that's it from me, folks. I'll have some wrap-up January stats for you tomorrow, but for now, it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Nice having your company, folks. Catch up again tomorrow night. Just a reminder, you can watch our news anytime on 7plus or our page 7news.com.au. Take care. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Tonight in 7 News, Queensland's new Fitzgerald inquiry, the corruption buzz